From the very heart of God comes a calling that continues today. He sends His people. Because Christ was sent to us, we are sent into the world to proclaim His love, to bring hope, to serve, and to shine His light.
Do what you want of it there. Also, Lord, for the hearts of the people to be open, Lord, to the answer.
When we finally got there, ang daming tao talaga. So when I asked someone where they were from and how many mountains they had crossed, tapos nakapaa, parang nahiya naman ako sa sarili ko. Kasi kami nga nakatrack pa, pero sila walking barefoot.
Ginawa yung mission dun sa isang parang main church. So, they all went. Naglakad sila for like 7 hours or 5 hours, 2 hours, depende sa layo.
I'm very blessed to be a part of the missions team to witness everybody, extend the love of Christ to other people.
Nung pinagpaplanuhan pa lang sa Magiskis, parang iba na yung ano ko. Parang ang sarap, ang saya yung experience na mapapakita mo rin sa kanila kung paano yung pagmamahal ni Lord na nangyayari sa'yo. Parang sinishare mo, hindi lang sa salita, kundi in action din nagagawa mo.
Nakita namin yung mga bata na super yung pagkanta talaga nila para sa Panginoon. Parang may na-feel na namin na this is parang heaven.
To the help of Doc Ed, we were able to have a consultation with the health of the pastors because it's important that you take care of your physical health so that you could also do the legwork that the Lord wants you to do.
Sinamaze ako how their faith is eh. No, even if they don't have much, yung faith nila is so big. Yung paghawak nila kay Lord is nandun. Parang ang dami natin makikitang balakid eh sa kung paano sila mag-minister, but they do. Ginagawa nila para sa community nila, sa mga gustong lumapit kay Lord, gano'n.
I was expecting na kami yung mag-feed ng encouragement or inspiration sa kanila. But lo and behold, nung nandun kami, parang kami yung mas na-bless sa mga testimonies nila.
Being missional as a child of God is a privilege. It's something that we Christians can do for Christ.
Siguro ang mai-share ko na verse tungkol doon yung Colossians 3:23. In everything you do, do it from the heart for the Lord and not for people. Para sa akin, siguro, ibinibless ka ni Lord para mag-bless ka rin ng iba. Yung blessings na meron ka, dapat i-share mo.
Being sent by God actually has a whole different meaning na sa akin ngayon. Ang meaning na niya ngayon is selflessly serving the needy and genuinely loving and caring for the poor.
Nagkaroon tayo ng opportunity na makipag-partner with GCF. Grabe yung resources nila, grabe yung experience nila, exposure, training. Grabe yung difference nung church nila sa church natin in terms of numbers. Like, we're a small church compared to GCF. Tapos we were able to partner with them and to experience yung ganong kalaking medical mission. Yung prayer is everything to go smoothly, pero at the same time, kung ano man yung will ni Lord na mangyari, kung sino man yung tao na gusto niyang ma-reach.
The Lord really is a great provider. Who would have thought na parang provided na sa atin lahat yung equipments, the supplies, and all, even the doctors. And one of the things that I like the most about dun sa medical mission is it's not just the medical and dental and other services na ino-offer natin, but the part wherein we introduce sino si Jesus sa buhay natin, sino yung Lord natin. Sa dami ng services, yes, madaming pasyente nakapunta, but mas marami yung nakapakinig na sa salita niya. And I think yun yung pinaka-importante.
pinaka nag-stick sa akin talaga na Jesus is the Lord of all. Even in medical missions, nakikita kayo na they're in different careers. Meron doctors, dentists, Christ is in them. And even those people that are serving, yung mga from different churches in Iram, you can see Christ in them, in their heart to serve, and their heart to reach out to the people. Reminder na yun na Jesus Christ is the Lord of all.
Christ's love, yun yung nag-unite sa iba-ibang tao. Whether anong tagasan ka, ano yung career mo, ano yung status mo sa buhay, it brings people together. So, either you're the one serving the people or yung isa-serve. Parang si God nga yung nag-orchestrate for everyone to be in that location to share God's goodness.
When they give things to me, sabi ko, it's not only me eh. It's God working in everybody in the church to make this mission possible. So, that alone, napupoint talaga sa Kanya.
Siguro isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan na experience na pag-minister sa mga tao sa Iram, yung ngiti nila pagkatapos na ibigay sa kanila yung comfort, yung mga gamot. Kumbaga yung ngiti nila yung hindi kayang palitan. Kami din yung na-bless. Sa tuwing kinakausap namin sila, nagbibigay kami ng gamot sa kanila. Talagang nakikinig sila. Parang sa way na yun, napapakita din namin kung paano yung comfort na binibigay ni Christ sa buhay namin. Na i-share din namin yung pagmamahal na yun sa ibang tao.
Being missional as a Christian not only encourages us to be a part of something bigger than ourselves, it also encourages believers and non-believers to look at something other than themselves.
Pang minsan kasi akala natin hindi tayo kagamit-gamit sa Panginoon. Akala natin ito lang yung skills natin. Pero pag ginamit ka ng Panginoon, yung purpose niya yung magse-serve sa buhay mo.
Once you really understood what you received, which is the love of Christ, it will transform something. And you don't need to be magaling, capable, well-versed. As long as we're surrendered, willing, and available, everyone can be sent.
Yung call sa atin to actually go to the world and disciple. Share the good news to everyone. So that everyone, gusto natin, lahat would be saved.
When you are in a mission, your focus will shift into serving the people. Si Lord may specific na calling siya sa'yo, and the prayer is dapat makita natin yun. Pag tinawag ka, you go.
Hindi nagtatapos sa medical mission, hindi nagtatapos sa short-term mission ang pagpo-proclaim sa Panginoon. Pero this should be done every single time that we have the chance to do so. And that is the reason why we go. Because God is sending His people and He wants us to say yes to wherever He leads us.